Alright, y'all. I'm getting a little hyped up. So, basically, big things planned for tomorrow. I've been thinking, why the fuck have I been not trying to pass an eval, bro? Like, even just giving it a whack. Because, like, low-key, I'm just going to try and pass an eval tomorrow. Because, like, I've just hit 3 months in a row profitability. I know it's not by a lot, but I'm in the green. Alright? Here's the deal. So, I saw the TJR had a 50% off on Tradeify accounts. Let me just double check this. I'm just taking a look right now on IG. Hold up. Let's see. Yeah, there's 25% off Alpha Futures, right? And we got 50% off on Tradeify for Lightning funded 25 and 50K. And that goes till January 2nd. So I'm going to try and pass one Alpha Futures account and one Tradeify account. I'm going to do two attempts tomorrow, all right? I've been working. I've been making money, all right? Like a little bit. I've been saving that shit up so that I can do some evals. So this is the plan. Tomorrow, hold up. I got to make sure my screen ain't black. One Tradeify Lightning account. All right. Let me write this stuff out. Does this make the recording look all goofy? Nah, it's chill. Okay, so blank doc. Actually, I take it back. Let's just go into the up next folder. And the plan is for tonight, just for a little yip yap while I'm making this list, is that I'm just gonna backtest my ass off to like, I'll probably do it for like backtesting for like an hour. Wake up early tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., 6:30, go for a run, which is something I did yesterday. I would have done it today, but I was a fucking bum. I'm a little pissed at myself for that. It's chill. We bounce back. It's the holidays. So, tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., I'm going to do a 10-minute run, come back, little pregame shower, little pregame coffee, dump my guts, right? Hop on the charts, maybe do a quick little few back tests to get locked in before I hop on trying to pass an eval. We'll do Tradeify first because it's the 50% off, and then we'll hit up an Alpha Futures after 25% off. Or I'll do some thinking on that. Alright, so plan for tomorrow. Get up at 6 a.m. A little later than usual just so I can get that little extra hour of sleep. Get up at 6 a.m. Alright. Go for 10-minute run. Let me format this differently. 1. Yo. Get up at 6 a.m. 2. Go for 10-minute run. Quick la shower. Alright. Quick la shower. Coffee. Dump guts. That's important right there. I don't have to shit while I'm on the charts, you know, trying to pass an eval. Alright. Back test. Back test for a little bit to pregame. Hop on Tradeify / Alpha Futures. code attempt evals. All right. At least then I know for sure where I'm at. Psychologically, everything. With a little bit on the line, you know what I mean? Also, I need to talk about this more. Go hit up, and I'll put this in the video description. Go hit up my Insta for my trading account, and I'm gonna make a TikTok account right after I post this video, so that'll be there. And I'll start posting on that. I'll try and do a big video for tomorrow for TikTok and Instagram. First attempt trying to pass evals, or yeah. All right. So we got this shit, ladies and gents. What better time to start than now? You know, I'm prepared. And if I'm not prepared, at least I'm gonna find out. I think now's a good time for me to get started on all my evals, all that shit. And if I don't pass them, I don't pass them. But if I do, then I have my evals, or I have my accounts stacked up before the new year that were at a discounted price. I pay my activation fee. I can start getting on real trading. All right. This is good. This is good. Coming back from that little Christmas, little Boxing Day, and unfortunately the day after, well, a couple days after, I guess. But I've been busy. You know, family stuff. I had to go pick up a stove that was 3 hours away for the renovations that we're doing at my crib. So it was 3 hours there, 3.5 back. It took a while, but we got that done. So I haven't been doing jack shit. I won't lie to you though. Boxing Day, I did do jack shit. I did absolutely nothing. So it's time to get locked back in. Anyways, we got a solid 47 minutes of back testing to do. And I plug my phone in across the room so I don't touch it for the next 45. All of my notifications will be turned off. I'm going to turn D&D on Discord just to make sure I do not get bothered by jack shit. Forever. Come on. There we go. Okay. Close that off. Any other distractions closed off. I'll have a little music going on, and we're going to be doing some trading. A little back testing. That's what I mean. Alright? Bet. Whew. Let me go plug my phone in and yuck it across the room. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, candles are lit. Setup is chilling. Get everything nice and square over here. I'll just put one of these back there for now. And we locked in. I got some little goldfish in case I get, snacky. And also, because I won't be trading year end, I'll be doing back testing. Damn, I guess this year's running out of time, ain't it? I'll be doing back testing, probably also for the first little bit of this year, or I should say next year, this upcoming year. I will do, actually, even if I do end up trading, which I probably won't for the first few days of this new year. I think New Year's Day is a bank holiday anyways. Great FOMC today. Bank holiday. I won't trade the Friday. I might trade the Monday after. We'll see how it goes. All right. All right. Otherwise, I'll probably backtest all weekend. Yeah. Oh, I'll try and what I was trying to get at there. I'm losing my mind a little bit. I'm getting a little too hyped up on the pregame. What I will do is do that. My candle just sparked. I will do that glass full of ice, kind of like back test until it melts. I've seen a couple traders do that. I should try and find the original video that I saw on that for credit, but let's chill. I've seen a couple traders do that, and I've seen, bummy ass college students do that for studying. Kidding. Not bummy. It's chill. Yeah. Let's get to back testing, I think. Right? Yes. Yes. Okay, let's just make sure this is all recording good. Turn on a little bit of music. I need to make this larger. It's a little on the loud side of things. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get on this back testing, bro. Okay, I should turn down this music a little more so I can talk. Alright, so 15-minute skip forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 a.m. 4. 1, 2, 3. 5 a.m. 1, 2. 5:30 manipulation. Probably some 5 a.m. news. 1, 2. 6 a.m. 6:15. Okay, so we're at 6:25. 4 hour bearish. 1 hour bearish. One hour order block. Whether or not we'll reach back down there, I don't know. Nevertheless, 5-minute. Inverse. Pop in with the actual fair value gap and a secondary inverse to go with. And this should be equilibrium. Okay, let's see what we do off open. $6.44. $6.59. Are we still looking bearish? Ooh. No, we're looking like we hit a manipulation. Oh, so So I'm sorry, what do we look like on the 4 hour? Interesting. Well, that actually looks like it would have been an alright trade to the to the downside. But I'm gonna just say nah. Let's see what we can do here. Uh, 15-minute order block. Okay. 5-minute inverse. With a was there a 15-minute inverse that kind of I'm only use the 5-minute, or that's 30-minute. Minute inverse. And we'll, oops. What time is it here? Lots of consolidating. I think we're just gonna say break even on this. I would have trailed there actually, but well, I'll keep it a break even. We're gonna get tapped out here. Do we just consolidate for the rest of the day? Pretty well. Okay. Bad day, Wednesday. Okay. Oh. Well, we came out of that with nothing. Okay, so start new, select date. That was Wednesday the 24th, Thursday the 25th. Let's go the day after that. Wait, what? Am I geeked? Am I? Hello? Select. What? New replay. Start new. Select date. 25th. Select. What? Oh. Yikes. That's pretty bad. Yeah, just call me retarded at this point. Alright. Looking bullish. Pop this 1 hour order block. 15-minute. Let's, where are we at? 11:45. Skip. Skip hella. 4:45. 5:30 manipulation. Oh. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking. Yeah, I'm so pissed, bro. What do you even do on that? Bro. Is there more opportunity, please? by 8 o'clock, 8:30, you would have hit take profit. Alright, well, I'm pretty well stupid, so we're just gonna hop back on the hourly. And we're just gonna skip. Little pissed at myself on that one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8, 4, 5. 15 minute, 5:45, 6:15. Hop on the 5 minute. Actually, 4 hour. Where are we? Bullish. Or bearish. Fuck. Order block. $6.15. Market open. $6.45. $15-minute inverse. And not quite. Well, actually, yes. Excuse me. There we go. Skip. Nothing. Each previous day lows. Okay, what's the entry that I missed here? I'm going a little too speedy on this. I need to slow it down for the last half hour. Didn't tap into any high time frame. Let's get rid of all of this. What did I miss? We tapped into the order block. Previous day for value gap. Well, I guess it shouldn't have had that big of an effect because it's been completely taken out. Honestly, NQ and ES must have made an SMT on this day that I missed. And ES was probably the better pair to trade on this day, I'm guessing. Because I do not see a whole lot of entry opportunity there. Is this the Friday? Yeah, it is. Okay, let's go to the August. September. Okay. We're still 1 hour, 4 hour. Bullish so far. 11:30, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 a.m. 1 hour still bullish, 4 hours still bullish, daily bearish. I think we'll play it out in the 1 minute. 6:29. No manipulation so far. So then we'll be hitting a 6:30 manipulation to the downside. 4 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish. Order block. 5 minute. What did we take out? We took out 4:30 the London session low. We did not seek out the Asian session low. We took out London low with that manipulation. Okay, why is it? Okay. Wait, what? Why is it showing that this is still pre-market? I guess it's just glitched. $6.49, closing in on macro. Anything in the 15-minute? 15-minute inverse. I'd actually like to push above the order block. Sorry, I'm kind of locking in here. I'd like to push above the order block before we do anything else. Lots of consolidation here. We'll keep this 15-minute level in mind. We'll pop it there. We did tap into it again. Slight reaction off of it. Almost complete consolidation of a day. At 8:30, yeah. Unless we start to make a move down. Complete consolidation. I don't know. Wait. Monday. Wait, what? What happened here? Was this like a bank holiday or something? Monday the 1st. Okay, well. Okay. Alright. That's interesting. It must have been a bank holiday or something. 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Holy shit. Okay, well, we're probably seeking out these lows and potentially these lows. $5.55. 6.45 hourly. 15 minutes. 30-minute order block. Even that, man. Hmm. 15-minute inverse 4 hours says what? Stay on the 15-minute, I guess, but we're gonna have to scale up or scale down. 6. Nothing. Okay, I'm thinking this is when price action started getting dog shit, so let's go back to July 10th, which is one of the earliest dates. You can stay on the... Oh my... Okay, wait. Let me just recover myself here. 1 minute. Select date. Third, the earliest date. Okay. Okay, can we not open that, please? 2 a.m. 2:30, 3, 4, 3:34, 4:35, 5:30, 6. Okay. Let's get on to the 5-minute. We're at 6:25. And we're looking. We're looking unsure, actually. So let's hop on the 5-minute. See where manipulation takes us off open. Twin, what is happening? 6. Okay. Again, am I like... Am I going insane? July 17th. Well, that. Looking bullish, if you will. 11:30. 2:30, 3, 3:34, 4:35, 5:36. 5:30 manipulation. Hourly bullish, 4-hour bullish. One-hour order block. $15-minute inverse gap. Let me find something better than that. Maybe a 15-minute. Wait. That's a 15-minute gap. This is a 15-minute inverse. Tapped in a bit early, but maybe we'll make a move back up. god, man, I'm like actually might be one of the biggest hards. BPR just below the 79. We'll buy limit there regardless. Let's play this out a little bit. Okay. Realistically, I would have been taken out there. Okay. We're kind of going nuts off of open. Previous day highs are up here. Lock that in. Okay. Drag SL. Okay, so I think we would have hit full TP. Yeah. Rips. We take that small dub. Thursday, July 25th. Oh wait, no, Thursday, July 17th. Okay, let's move to July 22nd. I think we're on a generational bull run right now. Huge 1 hour gap that we're filling through. Skip. 2:15, 4:45, 5 a.m., 5:15, 5:30, 5:45, 6, 6:15. This has been filled through hourly. A little on the bearish side of things. Okay, it was all it's all looking bullish until that. So let's just play one. And this should bring us to open. Okay. 15-minute. Let's give that a play. All right. Okay. Okay, well that's... Guess we'll just drag that down. We know mostly how this is going to play out, I guess, so... $7.55. We're gonna hit that dragged stop loss for sure. got potentially a little greedy on the take profit. Oh well. Yikes. There it goes. Holy shit, bro. What are we? Okay, let's just close position, because I would have closed a whole lot earlier. That's not bad. Okay. Select date. July 24th. Okay, it looks like I've potentially traded this before, but I don't remember it. So, or that might have just been from the last week's. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. 5 a.m. 15 minute. 5:30 manipulation. 5:55, 6. 10, 6:20, 6:25. I'm gonna turn off this music just a little bit. Stretch out. Oh. Okay, let's see what we can get here. A little unsure on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. 15 minutes currently looking bullish. I guess these were kind of weird times to trade because we were constantly hitting all-time highs. Okay, let's think. Hop on the 1 minute, see where we move. Okay, we move like that, so we hit a manipulation. 646. $649. 650. It's a little geeked. Okay, I don't know about trading on this day. Definitely no trade day. All right. July. What day was this? 24th. Let's go on the 29th. Four, 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6, 5 minute. Oh, already at 6:25. That's good. Looking bearish, I guess. We'll look at this 6:30 manipulation because there was none at 5:30. Decently heavy. Alright, we're gonna get one more quick trading day in because I just realized something, which is the fact that I need to edit this video before I go to bed. 6:46, 15 minute. Come on. Really? Don't know if I get entered in here. No. Alright, that's chill. Okay, this will be the end of this video. I got an hour of editing to do. It's okay, I was talking most of the time, so it should probably take me 50 minutes to edit. Should have done a little shorter of a video. Oh well. Anyways, peace for now. See y'all tomorrow for the eval.